Hi, I am Paul from Bio-Circle UK. My hero story is with a train maintenance company. We met the boss at an exhibition and he liked us, what we did. So he arranged a meeting with his health and safety guy and his purchasing guy. We arrived to the meeting. The health and safety guy and purchasing guy said, "We are quite happy with our existing supplier. We don't really have anything to say to you." So we said, okay, that's fine. Just give us a few minutes. Your existing supplier is only focused on service and he has two objectives: either to supply more machines or to increase the frequency of the service. We are Bio-Circle, we are different. We use a combination of equipment, chemistry, microbiology and service to improve the way that you clean. So give us the opportunity to go into your factory, and if we cannot find anything to improve, we will go. They said, okay, one factory tour. We made the factory tour and we found many areas of opportunity, but the first one was with Bio-Circle HP and Bio-Circle Liquid. We made a test, the results were fantastic, and they ordered the equipment. They then called and said, "You are the first company who ever talked to us about improving our processes. Please come back and find some more processes to improve." Thank you.